So you're waiting for the right time to start creating content, right? What if I told you that that's what's actually holding you back? You don't need to feel ready. You just need to start already. That actually rhymes. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to start already. And in this video, I'm going to show you why. And at the end of this video, if you watch this video through to the end, I assure you that you're going to be so motivated, you will pick up your camera and record your first video. Let's dive in. I've noticed that a lot of people feel like they need to have everything figured out before they start creating content. They need to have the perfect niche, they need to have the perfect content plan, the best equipment. They need to be filled with confidence before they start creating content. But that's not how it works. You really do not need any of that. Let me shock you. Let me tell you something. Every content creator that you see, that you love, that you admire, they actually started before they felt ready. If they had waited to have everything figured out, to have everything that they needed to start before they started, honestly, I don't think they would be where they are right now. You should know that you don't become great and confident before you start. You become great and confident in the process when you have already started. What makes you great and confident is your consistency and your practicing. And how else will you practice if you don't start? Does that make sense? There is no perfect time. Let me ask you something. When was the last time that you felt 100% ready for something new? Probably never, right? And that's because the concept of the perfect time is just an illusion. It doesn't exist. So if you're still waiting to be fully ready, to have it all figured out, to be fully prepared, you probably will never start. I watched a video a few days ago, and this lady was saying that one of the reasons why she hadn't been posting content was because she felt like she needed, I think it was either a microphone or a ring light, one of those things that she needed before she could start. And then what happened was that she kept waiting to get ready. She kept waiting to get that thing. She kept waiting, and then she finally got it. But guess what? Even after she got it, she still didn't start. That's the thing with waiting to get everything before you start something. If, for example, if your excuse is that maybe you need a tripod to get started and you finally get that tripod, I assure you that you will need something else. If it was a tripod and you get that tripod, the next thing you will say you need is maybe a microphone. When you get that, you're going to say you need maybe a ring light. It never ends. The truth is that your first video is not going to be perfect, just in case that's what you're afraid of. It's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. Nobody ever started as an expert. Every creator you see today, every big creator you see today, started with low quality videos. They started awkward, they started cringe, but that did not stop them. The fun part is that they didn't stop just because of how bad their first videos were. They kept working on it, they kept improving with every video, and that is why they are where they are today. They allowed themselves to start as beginners, and that is exactly what you need to do. Two is that you learn by doing, you learn by practicing. It's just like learning to drive a car. You don't learn to drive a car, you don't learn and get good at driving a car by just reading about it or by just watching different tutorials about it. You learn by actually getting behind the wheel and trying and practicing to drive a car. And the first time you drive, you'll be terrible. If you don't have someone there watching you and actually guiding you, you may hit something. But the more you practice, you get better. It's the same thing with becoming a content creator. You need to stop watching videos, stop watching tutorials, and actually start practicing the things that you're learning in those tutorials. You can spend months and years, learning, researching, watching videos, but you will not get better until you actually start doing it. And that is why I'm telling you this, that you need to start. You don't need to have everything figured out on day one. The more you post, the more you learn, the more you understand even who your target audience are, the more you understand what you enjoy creating content about, the more you get to understand who you even want to create content about. So even if you don't understand what your content pillars are, if you don't understand who you're even creating the content for, if you don't even understand the kind of content that you enjoy creating, the only way that you can know these things, the only way that you can get this information is by actually practicing. The more you post, the more you understand this thing. And point number 3 actually breaks my heart, and that is that the more you wait, the more you hesitate, someone else is already doing what you were supposed to do. Someone else is already starting. Someone else is already executing that idea that you have. And that person may not even have as much knowledge and experience as you have, but they are doing it already. And then people are loving them, people are following them, and they are growing and thriving while giving even less information that you would have given if you had done it or if you had started already. There are millions, billions of people that are searching for information every day. People are asking questions that you have answers to. People are craving for new voices, new perspective, and that could literally be you. But you're still hesitating. And they won't find you if you're still waiting for the perfect time. Let me tell you this, the best time to start, the perfect time to start was yesterday. But you still have an opportunity because the next best time to start is today and now. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to pick up your phone. Okay, you can use either the back camera, the front camera, it really doesn't matter. And this is what I want you to say. Press record and say, "Hi, my name is this, and this is me starting my content creation journey." And once you've done that, post it. Yes, post it. And once you do this, you, my friend, have taken the first step to becoming a content creator. It doesn't matter if no one watches it, it doesn't matter if no one likes it or engages with it. That's perfectly okay, and that is expected. And if you want me to see it, please tag me. I would love to cheer you on this journey. So let me end by saying congratulations. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye.